Hello guys, let us discuss question 30. The question is the correct order of basicity of the following compound is. So there are four ammonia compounds that are given to us and we have to find the correct order of basicity, and the options that are given are options given to us. These are options. So now let us find the solution. Now first of all, the accommodation of negative charge on N double bond by another NH2 group intensify the donor ability of N. So in the C case, as there is a negative charge on N due to the another NH2 group present, which means the donor ability of the N, the donor ability here increases because of presence of another NH2 group. Hence the C is the most basic. Now the higher donor ability of sp3 hybrid N as compared to the sp2 hybrid N. So now for the case D, NH group here, N present specifically in the NH group, has an sp3 hybridization because of the CH3 group present here and the CH3 group present here. So as it has a sp3 hybridization, sp3 hybrid N has more donor ability as compared to sp2 hybrid. Hence C is the highest and after that D comes. Now let us come to the first. Now here also the N is sp3 hybridized but is of 1 degree, that's why it is less than D. So it comes after the D, and here in B the N group in the NH2 group, in the N element atom in the NH2 group is sp2 hybridized, therefore it has the least basicity. So the correct order is B, then A, then D and C. So the option 2 is the correct option. Thank you, hope you understood.